So can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So before we proceed to the publishment of the nodal quiz or the nodal method, again, this is a consultation meeting. So does anyone has a question or clarification or any concern so far from week 1 up to week 6, up to module 6? Anyone? If none, just give me a quick thumbs up just to let me know that you don't have a question yourself. All right. Okay. Okay, so it seems that you guys don't have any concerns at all. So I just published the nodal method quiz right now. So I hope you guys are already done in checking out the module 6 and then watching the pre-made video for the nodal method also, so that you can already finish this one as soon as possible. Well, you guys have a week from now to finish this one, since this one will be due on June 20th. Okay. And yeah, this is the only additional one. And then after that will be your midterm exam, which will be on next week, Tuesday. So please check here your examination schedule. So just click exam schedule. So it would be on June 21, 3:30 p.m. So just do take note that June 21 is Tuesday, not Monday. So if ever that you have a same schedule with other subject wherein you're going to take your exam at that same day and then same time, please let me know so I can adjust your examination schedule. Maybe 7:30 p.m. onwards on the same day. So we can do that one. Okay. So no conflicting schedule with your other subjects. So is June 21 starting from 3:30 p.m. onwards okay to you guys? This will be your midterm examination date. So let me know right now as soon as possible. The earlier the better, so that I can set a separate date for you to take your midterm exam, or separate time rather, not separate date. Right? So it seems that all of you are good with this due date, and not due date, with this date, June 21, 3:30 p.m. So that would be all for today. Yeah, this is the only additional one, which is the nodal method quiz. So if you guys don't have any concerns anymore, then you guys may now go. Okay, just use the remaining time to finish this quiz. Okay. So goodbye, and see you guys after your midterm exam. And a blessed day to all of you.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, may face-to-face po bukas.
No face to face this week. No face to face also next week. So probably our resume of limited face to face would be on June 27 onwards. Okay, that week, June 27 to June 1. July 1. Okay. Yeah, we can do that one. So what time would you like to take your exam, Mr. Jasper? From what specific time? 7:30? Will 7:30 to 11:30 good for you? So I'll set it here now, June 21, 7:30 to 11:30 a.m. What about the others? Would you guys like to take the exam in the morning? Same with Mr. Jasper. So inform me as soon as possible so I can set it in here. So, okay, it's okay now, Mr. Jasper. If you don't have any other concerns anymore, you may now go. The same with the others. Okay, if you guys don't have any other concerns anymore, you guys may now go. Thank you guys for coming for this very short meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you too, and goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too.